Cimarron 8-horse head-to-head, electric hydraulic jack, 2 spare tires, and air rod. Trailer accommodates 3 horses rear facing in the front, or you can adjust that down to be 2 larger stalls. In the center, you can have 2 horses. And there are stud doors here that separate these 2 horses from the horses in the back. So then in the back stalls, you can have 2, which is set for now, or you can open that up and have 3 stalls in the back of the trailer. Right this minute it's set for 2, 2, and 3. So it's set for 7 horses. It can adjust out to accommodate 8. So that gate there separates these rear horses from that center horse. Got a side ramp and a rear ramp. Load light. Again, the trailer has air rod, electric hydraulic jack, accommodates 8 horses. Paint's not perfect, it does show some age. No real blemishes to speak of. No dents or dings. Full-size escape door here that takes you into the center aisle, opposite the ramp. Trailer's 8 feet wide. I believe it's 8 feet tall. I just need to double check my notes, but that will be listed in the specs on our website at trailercountryllc.com. 2010 Cimarron 8-horse head-to-head. trailercountryllc.com.